What's up, my bum and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have been entered into the TonyaNicole Experience, babe. Yes. Today we're going to be doing two Glossybox unboxings. First one will be the limited edition Bumble and Bumble box, and then we will do their regular November subscription. So if y'all want to see these two, don't move. Oh, baby, you better like, share, and subscribe. I know that. Before we get started, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with you, girl. I greatly appreciate you all. We're going to keep this very short and sweet, guys. You know, it's the holiday time and people have things to do, so I don't want to keep y'all on here very long. I'm actually going to start off with their regular November subscription, which is this one right here. This one right here is a $21 a month box, guys, and you're going to get 5 deluxe sample size products in here with the occasional full size. I will put all of their information down below, as well as my link to save you guys some money, but we will not be long, baby, because I have to get some shopping done. All right, there we go. That's the inside. I love the boxes. They have some little papers on top here with some coupons. This is the Beauty Desires edition. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And on the inside, we have the products. So let's not waste no time, baby. Let's go. That's what we're looking like on the inside. And let me grab my paper so I can just go straight in a row. So first up, we have from Cella, this little quad palette right here. This is a travel size. It has 4 shades in this palette: Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, that will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. It's buildable and highly pigmented, and it will ensure that you look, that you amplify your inner and outer glow, girl. This is $20, guys. I do like these. We receive these in Ipsy all the time. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I will be putting this one into a giveaway, but I do love their shadows. They are very nice and blend out very well. So our second product comes from Figs and Rouge. This is a full-size product. This is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. This primer is designed to fix your foundation and to finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. Its silicone-free, pore-minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities absorb oil so that you'll have a beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. And this is $52. Wow. And you get how much in here? 1 ounce of product. Ooh. That's what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand so we can see what it look like. Like that, and just kind of. Alrighty, so alright. I love a primer, and since I'm going to be doing a lot of get ready with me's using products that I received in these boxes, this would be perfect. So, alright. Next product, boo. The next product is from Vitabrid C12, this right here. This is a full-size product, loves. It's a cleansing balm. So this is infused with plant-derived extracts. This facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's formulated with powerful antioxidant blend of kaiha oil and vitamin C G to help support a clear, radiant complexion. It is $48, loves. Ew, all right, let's see. So it's a lot in here. Oh yeah, look at that. You get 3.7 ounces of product in here. We open it up. Oh, there's a little scooper on the top. And then this is the balm. No scent, but I am excited for this. I always need a nice cleansing balm to take this. Y'all say balm or balm? I think I said that the same way both times, huh, girl? Lord. Okay, moving on to the next product. So next up we have from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Oui Cherie lip oil. Girl, I said that good. All right, so it says, say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade perfectly suited to your skin tone. It will also keep your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. This is a full-size product too, and it's $12. Okay, Glossybox, babe, y'all coming through with the full size this month, huh? I see it. I love it. I love it. All right. So that's what it looks like right there, guys. And we open it up. Ooh, it smells like cherries. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand just so we could see. Well, you probably won't. It is kind of clear right now. Yeah. I'll let you know if it changes, but $12 full size. All right. If I'm looking shiny, girl, it's because I'm sweating. I'm going to go dab my face off and be right back. So this is our final product right here, guys. It's from Commodity, and this is a perfume. It says, the minute you pass, the scent comes to life. You'll begin to notice like a skin musk filled by a sweetly sweet trail of amber. All right, this is $10 for the deluxe mini. The full size is $105. And this is how it looks right there. And let's see. Oh, wait. Girl, this smells good. So it has like a little spray right here. Let's spray a little bit on. Oh, there's a lot come out. Oh, now I'm not really too much into musk smells, but I tell you what, this smells really good. $10, I will definitely use that. Okay, I like this. All right, that was our final product. I'm gonna hold up everything we received in this month's box. This is what we received in this month's box, and I must say I am pleasantly surprised. We got a couple makeup products, we got a perfume, we got a balancing balm, eyeshadow palette, 2 or 3 full-size products. So this Glossybox, oh my girl, I am just whatever. I am definitely feeling this month's Glossybox. I haven't been excited about Glossybox in a while, and I think that this one was pretty decent. So, with that being said, let's move to this limited edition Bumble and Bumble Glossybox. All right, so I'm gonna go through this one really quick too. This is a special hair care box right here. Bumble and Bumble collaborated with Glossybox to give us this box. And let's read up just really quick about this collaboration. It says it's time to get your curl on with this extra special limited edition Embrace Your Natural Hair and Embrace Your Natural Beautiful Curls with the Bumble and Bumble Curl Collection. Oh my goodness, is this for my hair? Girl, let me take a drink. Oh. All right, Glossy. Formulated with ingredients to reduce frizz, restore shine, and nourish your hair, this range has everything your curls are craving. I'm excited because, you know, I've heard a lot about Glossybox not being really inclusive when it comes to like other skin tones and hair textures and stuff. But this right here, I mean, it's for the natural hair girls like myself. I'm very excited to see what they collaborated with and what we get, baby. Let's open it up. The box, oh girl, like this is amazing. Oh, okay. Oh girl, we got, look at that. What? All righty. And I'm definitely going to be doing a journey with these products to let you guys know how they worked, but let's get it all out and let's get it unboxed. Okay, for the Bumble and Bumble box, this one is $30 for subscribers and $35 if you are not a subscriber, and you're supposed to receive $100 worth of product. So yes, baby, let's go ahead and see what we got up first. And first is the full-size moisturizing shampoo. Oh, it spilled out a little bit, I think. Well, something waste. But this is the shampoo. All right, this is free of sulfate cleansers. It's going to smooth and help you have frizz-free curls. Okay, let's see what it says on here. This moisturizing, curl-loving, gentle shampoo is enhanced with a rich blend of avocado, coconut, jojoba oils, along with shea and cocoa butter to deeply hydrate your hair, reduce frizz, add shine. Plus, it has a non-stripping, color-safe formula that is free from sulfate cleansers. This one is $31 and it is full size. It did waste out just a little bit. But oh, it smells really good. Okay, I'm excited about this. I will definitely be using this and let you guys know. Then we have the full-size 3-in-1 conditioner. It's the perfect duo for your beautiful curls. This conditioner that pairs with curl moisturizing shampoo can be used 3 different ways: as a rinse out, leave in, or co-wash. Keep the dryness out and the hydration in. This one is $34, my loves. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited about this. It's like a little, I don't know how to describe it. It's a thick cream. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. You get 6.7 ounces in here, $34. All right, guys, and then next up we have the BB Curl Defining Cream right here. This one is a travel size. It is a rich UV protective cream that helps create movable curls without the crunch while shielding against the drying and damaging effects of the sun. It has a Hydro Sculpt blend and a butter and oil blend that combines moisture and styling benefits to keep your curls hydrated and shiny. This is $16, loves, and you get 2 ounces of product. I mean, they all just smell so good, but this is a defining cream. So you would use this after you wash and condition your hair just to kind of give your curls a more defined look. And then we have this Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil right here. This is a deluxe mini. It says to finish off your hair routine with this nourishing gel oil hybrid. It protects against UV damage and humidity while adding some bounce and shine to your hair without that greasy, heavy feel. Retails for $6. You get 30 milliliters of product. It's just a clear, nice gel. Smells good. I could definitely use this for my edges, or just on my hair in general when I'm putting it into a pony or whatever. So it's medium to coarse hair, and I'm really excited about this box. Like, Glossybox, I like this collab. I really do. And our last product, guys, is this reactivator here. This is the travel size. It says it's gonna give your curls an extra boost with this super moisturizing mist. This hydration formula is especially helpful when you're in a rush or on the go. Easily revive and replenish the curls with a few quick spritzes. Let's do that. Ooh, okay. You get 2 fluid ounces of product in here, and this is the activator. And yes, that was all. Now, I'm gonna tell Glossybox this one right here was a 5 out of 5 for me. Even though I'm not sure how these products will work, I'm very excited to try it on my natural hair, my natural curls, and I will let you guys know. The Glossybox, great collab. I'm very happy to see it. And okay, loves, let's do some final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts is I actually liked the November regular box for Glossybox this month. They gave us a few full-size products in there, a full-size cleansing balm, eyeshadow palette, loved it. The Bumble Bumble curl hair kit for curly natural hair. What? Oh my goodness, I am definitely excited about that. Glossybox knocked it out of the park for me this month. I really enjoyed these 2 boxes. Let me know what you guys thought of the regular box and the hair care box. I really enjoyed them, guys. That's all I have. Look, at the end of the year, since I am canceling all of the subscriptions that I pay for, I will be doing my top boxes of the year. Ooh. And my least favorite of the year, and least favorite in general. So be on the lookout for that. If you want to submit some suggestions of what you think some good boxes are versus bad, please put them in the comments down below. I would love to use you as a reference on my video. But that's all I have, guys. Please look in the description for both boxes, information as well as links to get you some money off. Follow me on social media. All of those are down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in the comments. I love you guys dearly. See you guys later. Be safe, loves. Bye.